Hello, bonjour, and salam namaste, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kalyani Sheen, and today I am gonna give you a room tour from ITC Royal Bengal, Kolkata. Here we stayed for 3 nights, 4 days during my birthday, which I will talk about in another video maybe, but right now let's focus on the room. After crossing the royal interiors of the hotel and the very famous staircases, of course, we entered our room. Just as we entered on our left, there's this place to keep our luggages, and they also have a cute trunk chest for us to use. And I love this painting. This painting, which is of Radha Krishna, adds a pop of color to the corner. On your right is the small toilet in white marble finishing with vanity area and an extension of the room phone. They also includes wet machine in case you want to check. Moving forward, on your left side there is this wooden closet. In the middle is a shelf to keep your stuffs, and under that there is a safe inside for valuables. 2 drawers are there underneath, and under that there is a space where you can keep your slippers. On the right and left side there is this closet provided with iron table, extra cushions, extra pillows, robes and hangers to hang your clothes, and obviously shoe bags. On your right is a sliding door to your washroom, which doesn't shut properly. Yes, I said that. And there is always gaps remaining either in the middle or in the sides. Inside there is this bathtub with minimum toiletries from D-Wheels. The divider is of clear glass, which you can close with blinds for privacy purposes. As I haven't used the bathtub, so I didn't really need it. And this is the vanity area, which is a pleasure to eyes and useful to use. It's spacious enough. I get all my makeup done here, so it's kind of my fav corner. They have 2 drawers, one with a hair blower in it, a plant for decoration purpose, and the useful stuffs. The only con that I would like to talk about is insufficient plug points, and the only one that is there doesn't really work. Inside the washroom, there is a shower cubicle, spacious enough and with a concrete seat where you can sit and have shower, and a place to hang wet towels. Moving towards our room, on our left side there is a full-size mirror, which is perfect for full-size mirror selfies. And then there is a mini work closet, which was almost empty, unlike other hotels that I have visited in the same price obviously. And under that is a mini fridge which has my birthday cakes, which we bought from outside, and nothing else, of course. Here you see the TV screen displaying a welcome letter with my name on it, which is kinda cool. The workstation here is quite comfortable. The large table, comfy chair and other stuffs makes it perfect to work on. Here another thing I like a little less is the windows. It would be great if it had the whole wall as one single window, like a big one. Nevertheless, the view from the window is a green art piece of nature. The bed was large and the mattress felt like soft cotton clouds. There is another painting just above the bed, matching the aesthetic of the room. There's a sofa just beside the bedside table, and there is another mirror with place to keep. There is also a small coffee table along with the ottoman and couch that they provide in this room. An iPad is provided with the guest's name displaying on the top to control lighting, TV. You can also see who is on the door via intercom here. You can also do the in-room dining orders and lots of stuff. I haven't even explored it properly. So that's all I had to say for now. I bid goodbye to you as I unpack and check other amenities of the hotel. And if you like the content that I create, please do like, share, subscribe, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell button to stay connected and updated every time I post. See you in my next video. Till then, love you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay stylish. Also, stay happy, stay safe.